Hello there. Well, here we are on the road. I'm looking for windmills, wetlands and wildlife. Now I've struck a few windmills over the road here. We'll have a look. There's a windmill there. Take a closer look at it. There we go. And the other one is to our right. Should be just through those trees there. Where is it? Should be just over there somewhere. There it is. Okay, now these are a bit too far away for us, so we'll have to keep on down the road, see if we can find some closer ones. Well, here's one that's pretty close for us. We'll just bring her up. There we go. Okay, I'll just get out of the car and see if I can get a closer look. So I'm out of the car now, so we'll just be walking down this track here to get a closer look at that windmill, and there's I believe there's some terrific wildlife down there. Well, here we have the windmill close up. Making a fine old racket. Okay, we'll go to the wildlife now. Well, here we have the wildlife. Just look at those beaks. Let's go in for a closer look. What a sight. What a sight. There's a colony over here. There's a swan by the look of it, black swan. What a beauty. Wow. What a knockout. Okay. Let's see if I can move in for a closer look. Oh, there they are. There they all are. See if I can get a better close-up view here. There we go. Look at the beaks on these birds. Enormous. That's the thing for scooping up fish by the bucket load. Look at that specimen there. What a specimen. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are incredible. I don't know what you call them, like cranes? Would you call them cranes? Okay, I don't think we'll get any better than this, but I'll just move on down the road. So let's see what else I can find. Well, here we are back in the car and back on the road. Well, here we are on a side road. So over here we've got some wetlands and some wildlife, so I'll just get out of the car and have a look. Well, here we are for a closer look. Quite a few big ones here. Go up close. There's a big one. Head in the water looking for fish. Head in the water there. There it comes up. Must have got a fish in there. Yeah, looks like some baby ducks there. I don't know, I'm not the expert on this. A few more over there. Over there. A few more over there. Looking down here. A few more over there. Okay. Well, that wraps it up, folks. Thanks for being with me on the ride. Cheerio.